Hello everyone, on a Friday evening, Win here with your weather headlines. Now the first thing I'm going to talk about is the pleasant day that we are expecting for tomorrow. Now temperatures are going to be a lot milder, a lot closer to our seasonal average, meaning some low to mid 30s across the North Country and possibly even a few low 40s across parts of coastal New Hampshire and Massachusetts. So definitely a big change from what we saw over the past few days. But unfortunately, that warm weather doesn't last long, as I am tracking some more snow and rain as we head into the second half of the weekend. But wait, there's more. If you're hoping for spring, just wait until next week. I think our temperatures are going to be near, if not well above, our seasonal averages next week. A couple of days may hit 50 degrees. I'll talk about that too. Now let's time out the next few days here on our Futurecast radar. Tomorrow, no problems whatsoever, not a speck of precipitation, not even any upslope snow showers. But moving forward into Sunday, that's when things are going to start to change. Now this is at around lunchtime on Sunday, and you'll notice snow breaking out area-wide. Now it will start to snow everywhere, but watch that pink and green start to migrate just a bit farther north here, and I think by the evening hours, especially into southern areas, I think the vast majority of us are going to see that snow transition over to either a mix or rain. Now that continues for a few more hours before any leftover rain or mountain mix moves out during the latter part of Sunday evening. Now here's how much snow I'm expecting before we see that changeover. I think only a coating to an inch along the South Shore and extreme southern Massachusetts for our southernmost viewers. I think a solid belt of 1 to 2 from Boston down through the Hood, Medway, and then back into Worcester and Springfield as well, along the Pike as well there. 2 to 4 inches for a solid swath of Maine and New Hampshire, including Lewiston, Maine, Portland, Maine, and on up into Bangor, Maine as well. I think you guys are going to see a sloppy 2 to 4 inches that then goes over to a messy mix of rain and sleet. But, however, in the far mountains, that's where I think we're going to stand the best chance at staying primarily snow. And that's where amounts will pile up the most, 4 to 6 inches. And I can't even rule out a 7th inch in some of the higher terrain due to some upslope action going on there. So with Medway jokes aside, let's take you right into our 7-day forecast here. This is across Maine and interior New Hampshire, and you'll notice the pleasant day tomorrow, followed by snow transitioning over to a messy mix across the north, all rain further south, highs in the 30s and lower 40s. Monday, Tuesday look beautiful, with Tuesday just being a bit colder, and then the end of next week, that's where we stand a chance at hitting 50 degrees, even across the North Country. Now here's the forecast for coastal New Hampshire and Massachusetts. Not much different, just a couple of degrees warmer as is usual for this time of year. But Thursday and Friday, though, I bet that is going to feel really good. Temperatures in the low to mid 50s across the south.